Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on POCO F8 Pro. Alright, so let's open up the settings. Now we need to click on About Phone, scroll down a little until you find Backup and Restore. In here we have local backups. We can store our backup on our phone, we can backup our data into our computer, we can use Xiaomi Cloud or use Google. I'll show you how to create each backup. So click on mobile device first. When it comes to the mobile device backup, you need to be aware that this backup is stored in the internal storage of our phone, and after the reset of our device, the backup will be also deleted. So you need to have that in mind. That is why it's worth copying into our PC or laptop. So first click on Agree. Now select the things that you want to backup. If you have selected everything, click on Backup. Click on Got It. Click on Backup once again to start the process. Okay, and click on Finish. Now our backup has been successfully created. I will show you how to copy it later into our computer, because that's what basically the computer function stands for. It's simply copying the backup from our phone into our PC. We don't have any extra apps for copying or something like that. So I will show you that later as a last method. And now let's go into Xiaomi Cloud. If you want to use it, you need to be signed in into your Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, you have to create it. In here, we need to click on Backups and simply hit on Backup now. Then the process will start and the backup will be saved in the cloud. If you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the same Xiaomi account to restore the backup. It is really simple. Then you will have an option to restore down below. Actually, you will have to click on Manage Cloud Backups, and you can even read it right in here that you'll be able to restore. Now let's go straight into Google Backup. First, you need to agree to the backup services. Simply select photos and videos and other device data. Click on Confirm. Make sure that they are enabled. If they are not, simply tap on them and select it right in here. Same thing with the photos and videos. And now, important part. It is the Google Backup, and our backup will be saved in the cloud of our Google account, simply. In here you can see your Google account on your screen, of course, that's mine. And you cannot simply forget your Google account and password to it, because if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to sign in into the same Google account. Okay, now to create a backup, also make sure that you have some free storage space. If you don't have enough, you'll have to click on Clean Up Space or get more storage. And now hit this green button to start the process. Now I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. The process will now begin. In here, as you take a look, a small circle appeared, and it's going to fulfill slowly. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backed. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, the data has been successfully backupped. Also, on the other device data, we can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago. And also, when we click on other device data, we have the backup details. And in here, we can see that 50 apps has been copied, device settings, call history. So everything went successfully. Alright, now let's go into that computer function that I was talking about before. Now I will launch my PC and I'll show you how to copy that backup. Okay, so first we need to connect our phone into our computer using the USB-C cable. So simply plug your phone. Okay. Now click on Charging this device via USB and select File Transfer /Android Auto. Now on our computer we need to open up the File Explorer. Okay. Go into this PC, click on your POCO click on internal shared storage, and now go into MyUI, click on backup, all backup, and in here we have our zip folder, a zip file with our backup. Simply copy it into your computer. In my case, I will create a new folder. I'll call it POCO, and simply drag this file, copy it. Okay, it has been transferred, so everything went successfully. We can close it up. We can close the all backup folder. And now, basically, that's all. Our backup has been successfully copied into our computer. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.